I'm Chip Sparks with Circuit Brief. Let's flash through the latest tech news, and heads up, today's digital chaos is hotter than your laptop after a 4-hour gaming sesh. We kick off with a new cyber threat that's slipping under the radar like a hacker at a DEF CON after-party. A malware campaign dubbed Tampered Chef is making the rounds, and it's served up through, you guessed it, fake PDF editors. Threat actors are using Google Ads to push seemingly legit PDF editing software, luring users into downloading what appears to be a harmless tool. But surprise, it's a full-blown info stealer. Once installed, Tampered Chef dishes out your sensitive data like it's on a buffet line. So if you recently downloaded a shiny new PDF editor, double-check it, and maybe don't trust that first link on Google next time. Next up on the cybercrime menu, attackers are weaponizing what we usually think of as a trusted tool, Velociraptor. Long used for digital forensics and incident response, Velociraptor has now been twisted into a stealthy channel for command and control tunneling. Combined with Cloudflare workers and sneaky use of Visual Studio Code, these attackers are building a pathway for ransomware that's both clever and terrifying. They're basically turning open source tools into virtual crowbars, prying open enterprise networks from the inside out. And speaking of prying, WhatsApp just issued a critical emergency update to fix a nasty zero-click exploit targeting iOS and macOS users. That's right, 0 clicks. Just receiving the malicious content is enough to get owned. The bug, tracked as CVE 2025-55177, is linked to a similar Apple vulnerability, and both have been tied to spyware campaigns. If you're using WhatsApp on your Apple devices, stop what you're doing after this roundup and update the app. This isn't one of those maybe later deals. This one could mean full surveillance-style access to your files, messages, and even camera. All right, pause the paranoia for just a second, because if you're the kind of person who wants to take back control, I've got something for you. The Ultimate USB version 2.1 is turning heads in the Geekverse. It features 13 categories and 50 bootable environments. We're talking hacking and forensics, dark web tools, data recovery, and even retro gaming. It's like the Swiss Army knife of bootable tech. If your mission is be unbreakable, this is your sidekick. You can grab yours today. Links in the description. And now, let's zoom out and look ahead. Cyber criminals aren't slowing down, and as AI tools get smarter, so do their exploits. Whether they're abusing forensic tools for stealthy takeovers or launching zero-click attacks on billions of users, staying aware is half the battle. The lines between development tools and attack vectors are thinner than ever, which means we've all got to think like a hacker, even if we're just trying to work from a coffee shop in peace. All right, folks, that's the bite-sized chaos for today. Chip Sparks signing off from Circuit Brief, and I'll see you tomorrow.